I just really need to get my feelings out, and things have just been so weird between us, and I've been on tour and I've been busy, and I know things get lost in translation, and I don't mean to neglect you, I really don't. And I just really need you to know that I love you. Always.
Yeah, I'm Rich Brian.
And I'm Joji.
Last summer, we became master chefs at the 88 Rising Summer Mansion.
And this year, we're teaming up with even more chefs and special guests and asking a few of our 88 Rising label mates to help us out.
Welcome to the Feast Mansion.
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 What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Nikki. Welcome back to Feast Mansion. So, the boys are out today. So, I'm taking over today, you know? Hashtag GRLPWR. I don't know if you can, edit that in, but, girl power. So yeah, I'm taking over, taking charge. On some cooking mama shit. So I've been touring a lot and I've been on the road, and sometimes you just want that little piece of home. And I am currently feeling super homesick. So today we're gonna be making one of my favorite comfort foods from back home. We're talking about Indomie. This baby right here. We're gonna welcome my friend Inga from BuzzFeed, and she's gonna help me make all of this into some crazy shit. So Inga, come on up. Woo! Hello. How are you doing?
Good. All right. So Indomie. I'm excited to create a lot of crazy things with you today, but obviously you are the Indomie expert, so it's gonna be a collaboration.
All right, cool. I'm down. Let's do this.
So I've done a couple videos with instant ramen, and every time we do a video like that, all the comments are about Indomie. I'm not even kidding.
Sure.
Everybody, there's it's such a huge fan base.
Right.
How big of a deal is it for you back home?
It's the ultimate comfort food, because you eat Indomie when you're 45% hungry.
So it's not really like a meal, it's more of a snack.
Yeah, it's 12 a.m., you're drunk as hell.
That sounds about right, yeah.
You go home, you're like, where the fuck is my Indomie? It's just whenever I think of Indomie, I just think of sitting in front of the TV with my family, bullshitting, talking about shit and stuff, as we all do. And yeah, it's the ultimate comfort food. Okay, so we have quite the selection, the assortment here. We have all these different flavors, but I'm feeling like doing something classic today. So let's just go with your bog standard mi goreng.
Say that again?
Mi goreng.
Mi goreng?
Exactly. Yeah, that was pretty good.
Nice.
You gotta roll your R's with it. It literally translates to fried noodles. You don't use scissors. We're gonna go crazy.
Is that a rule? You don't use scissors?
I mean, it's just that's what we native Indos do, okay? It's very primal. It's a visceral, just The water's boiling now, so we're gonna just dump this guy in. Each pack comes with these babies. Indomie is not Indomie without these guys. Whoever the fuck came up with these, I don't know why you're not the most celebrated man on this earth. Or woman, wow. Or woman, I don't know.
Right after you said girl power, too.
Exactly, I know. I should just escort myself out now.
How long do you usually cook your noodles for?
I eyeball it.
That is the classic way to do it, right?
It's just an intrinsic feeling that comes with being Indonesian. It's just in your DNA. You're just the noodles are done. You know what I'm saying?
I guess I'll never know how they're done then.
I guess you can't because you're not Indonesian. right, cool. All right, the noodles are cooked. It's like kind of al dente. I like it kind of raw.
Kind of raw.
So, not raw, but like, you know what I'm saying? Just like
Yeah,
packagey. All right, so we're gonna grab these guys because this shit's hot.
You're gonna drain it?
And we're gonna drain this. Yeah, it's a very scrambly process. You can't like elegantly make Indomie. We're gonna turn the pot back on, and then we're gonna crack a couple of eggs. I usually go for 2 eggs. My dad thinks I'm crazy for doing so.
I mean, get your protein in, right?
No, facts. Oof.
Okay.
Do you see that?
Yes.
This is the final product, yeah.
This looks like comfort food,
It does.
right? This is how you would eat it at home.
Please, chef, taste my
All
dish.
right, I'm gonna taste it. I already know it's gonna
I'm
be
kind of
amazing.
nervous, low key. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Dude, it's so good, right?
You got the noodles just right, though. It's the perfect, like what
You-
you were saying, just the right bite.
It's a feeling.
Yeah,
I told you,
yeah.
it's like an intrinsic,
Yes.
visceral feeling.
Taste of home. You feel like you're on a plane flying back home right now?
Bro, I want to call my dad right now. I miss him.
This is great as its own. I literally eat it straight out of the packet.
But now, you know, the wheels are kind of turning, and I'm just like, what else? What else could we make with Indomie?
There are a lot of things we can do with Indomie.
Really?
And this might actually blow your mind, but I work a lot with desserts in my videos.
Oh,
So I'm gonna
this took a turn.
I'm actually gonna try putting Indomie inside of chocolate. And I know that sounds kind of crazy,
Hey.
but you know how you get like crunchy chocolate sometimes? That's what we're gonna try
Oh,
to do.
like the Crunch Bars.
Yes!
Like
yes.
Nestle Crunch.
Yes!
Crunch challenge activated.
Let's go. All right, so we've got the chocolate melting over here. We have the Indomie, we have cornflakes, dried fruit, and candy melts.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm very ready.
You look like you're nervous.
I mean, it's a little skeptical, but I'm ready to be blown away.
Okay.
So,
You wanna start crushing the noodles? Go for it. Like, be angry. Put your energy in it. Oh my God.
all right. That's fun.
Okay, now we're gonna pour the cornflakes in.
Oh.
So now just like go in with your hands and crush it again. Yes! Like massaging it, you know?
This is fun.
Relieves stress. If you're stressed.
Wow, this is really therapeutic. I feel like I could just zone out and
Yeah.
listen to a podcast right now.
Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Listen to the sounds of the ocean. You are worthy of love. Feel the Indomie between your fingers.
All right, cool. I zoned out for a second there. I was just like, this is so fun.
So, you see how smooth that is? You wanna do like a little like, you know?
That looks so good. It looks so good, it looks inappropriate, low-key.
So I'm gonna start pouring this in. We're just gonna combine these two together.
So, like, how do you come up with all of these crazy recipes?
A lot of times it's just like me going on the internet. I see something cool or like I see it on Instagram.
Yeah.
Then I'm like, oh, what's that? And then I sort of do my own spin on it. You know, they say not to
Scientist.
play with your food, but sometimes cool stuff can come out of playing with your food a little bit. So this is the part where you go crazy.
This is art, yeah. We can
Yes.
go abstract on this, some Jackson Pollock action.
I'm just putting some dried fruit on mine. So like dried kiwi, banana.
This is not even a competition at this point.
not a competition.
I mean, it never was to begin with, but if it was, like, it's now not anymore.
So we're gonna put this in the fridge now and pop them out later.
Okay.
But while we wait, I got another little something for you.
Okay.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be
I'm
great.
super excited. All right. Let's put this away.
Yeah.
All right, Inga, so what do we have here? What are we making?
You know, we've seen ramen burgers
Yes.
on the internet. I also made it for one of my videos, but it like blew up. So
Got it.
I was thinking, why not try to do that with our favorite Indomie? This little circle mold, this is what will give it that circular shape.
Right.
And this is important. We just cooked this Indomie. It has to be hot. There's no egg or anything in there.
Yep.
It kind of just glues together because of the starch.
Okay.
Just fold it up like that.
Okay.
And that's your first ramen bun. Okay, so now we're gonna put these buns in the fridge, let it chill for 2 hours.
But what are we gonna do for 2 hours?
I don't know. We'll come up with something fun. And voila, movie magic. Ta-da!
That's amazing.
Okay, and you see, when you open that, boom,
Wow!
that's your ramen bun.
Ooh,
Hear that
it's gonna sizzle.
Yes.
Ooh!
Careful. We just want it to have some sort of golden brownness. And then also, I was thinking, you know that like sweet soy sauce and chili we were talking about?
Yep.
We're gonna actually use this to make like a sauce. So I'm gonna put this here. These are done. They're lightly toasted.
Okay.
So now we cook the beef patty.
So this is just pure beef.
Pure beef. Just watching this cook.
I know. I feel like we're proud parents right now. Just
Yeah.
watching our child blossom. Woo!
Look at that.
Look at that. That's a beauty right there.
Yes. Indomie transformed.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
That means it's really good.
Dude. That's fucking delicious.
All right, so burger's great. We still got dessert coming up. Remember those chocolate bars? Hopefully they've set by now.
All right.
You ready? Let's go check
I'm
on
so
them.
ready. Let's go.
All right. Okay,
Woo!
this is what it looks like.
Oh, yours looks beautiful.
It looks
Okay.
it's a bit clunky, but here's the tricky part, getting them out. What if I did this? Is this dangerous? Oh,
Yo! Dude,
snap!
that
Dude!
looks... Dude, this shit looks artisanal. Like, I would go to, like, Godiva or some shit and get this, you know? Okay, so now, teach me your ways. How did you...
I literally,
You just
my
tapped
ways
it?
was like, boom, like. Whoosh. Oh!
I don't know if mine's gonna work. All right, so clearly mine was not a success, but it's okay. So I'm gonna try it because this still looks delicious.
You gotta,
Ooh,
look at that.
Look at
Those
that
ramen
detail.
bits. Oh yeah, and the cornflake. All right, cheers.
Cheers. No,
Is it crunchy?
that is fucking delicious.
Mhm.
Wow.
So we did a bunch of stuff today. We started with the classic Indomie. We did the chocolate bars and we did the ramen burger. Which one is your favorite? I'm not really making any sounds, but
I'm gonna go with the burger.
really?
That really
was your favorite?
That was crazy. That was an
Wow.
experience.
Wow. But you learn a lot of new things. Like now you know
I
all
really
the
did.
things Indomie can do.
I truly did. Indomie is just like suddenly three-dimensional. You know when like you meet somebody
Yeah,
and they're
yeah,
like
yeah.
super like 2D and they're just like one person.
Right.
Then like you get to know them and they're like
They're, like,
all these
4D.
different sides. That's how I feel about Indomie right now. Never thought Indomie could be elevated this way, but Inga right here changed my mind. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining us. Inga, thank you for helping me out today.
Thank you for having me.
This was Feast Mansion. We're out. Peace.
Peace.
Hey, what's going on, Hot Ones fans? This is Sean Evans checking in with a very exciting hot sauce update. Our first ever collaborative sauce, it's here. 88 Rising, First We Feast, joining forces to make Dragon in the Clouds. You saw me, Joji and Rich Brian mixing it up in the cauldron, yuzu from Japan, Szechuan peppercorn from China, and of course, you know your boy brought the heat. But don't worry, we got some professionals together to make sure this stuff is FDA approved. Extremely limited, very quality, and something we're super proud of. If you want to get your hands on Dragon in the Clouds, visit 88nightmarket.com. That's 88nightmarket.com. Don't miss your chance. The dragon, it can fly away.